Okay, in this video I want to show you one of the ways that I put together cheap trips. So I've been planning to go to Budapest for a while, and I know that I can get there fairly cheaply from Edinburgh already, but I'm just going to show you just so you can see. So Edinburgh, from Budapest, the to. In the dates here, I've gone for the whole month of March, so that's when I'm planning on going. I've selected direct flights down here, and I'm going to click search flights, and it's going to show me the prices across the whole month of March. And here we go, here are the search results. So I can see I've got flights £18, £20, £27, and returns £24, £27. So for around £50, I know that I'm going to be able to get to and from Edinburgh to Budapest. But what I want to do is have a look where I can get to from Budapest, because that way I might be able to get two destinations in on the one trip. So let's change this. Budapest is our from, and here we're just going to, if you just click in the to box, now everywhere comes up as an option automatically. So you just click that, still leaving the dates March and March, still leaving direct flights, and let's see what options we get here. So of course, this is now all the flights that are going from Budapest to anywhere else. And oh, that's an interesting option. A Saudi Arabia flight, Montenegro, somewhere else I've been wanting to go, Macedonia, Albania. Now, some of these places I know I can get to cheaply from the UK. So I know I can get to Romania, Italy, Albania, Germany. I know at Poland, I know I can get those cheap flights from the UK. But what I'm looking for here is somewhere that may be a little bit more expensive normally, but is fairly reasonable from Budapest. And I think Saudi Arabia looks like a really interesting option. So let's click down here and see what options we've got. So we've got Riyadh as a direct flight, and also Jeddah as a direct flight, both of those from Budapest. So let's click Riyadh and see which flight options we've got. And it's just searching, and then we should have the same thing. We should have the flight options for the month of March come up, and here they are. And we can see here actually flights here for £14, £11. So I'm going to just select a flight on the 6th going out and a flight on the 10th coming back, just to see what the flight times are actually like. So let's have a look. Can you go down here? Total cost £27. Find flights. And it will just search through all the route options and everything else. So I call this search a reverse flight search. And here are the flights here. So we can see we've got some Wizz Air options. And look at this, it's a 5-hour flight and 5-hour return, and it's £26 from Budapest. Direct flight too. And actually not bad flight times. So there's an option there to put together a trip to Budapest and then a trip to Saudi Arabia, to Riyadh or Jeddah. And I've got the two trips in one with total flights costing under £100 for all the flights. So that is one of the ways to put together cheap flights using Skyscanner.